Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Parmeet and today I am back with another rocking look. Today I have created this beautiful pink monochromatic look with little bit glitters on the eye. So if you wanna know how I created the beautiful look, then you should definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, so the first step is to prep our skin. I'm using Aha Glow Face Moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer for acne prone skin. Never apply your foundation on bare skin. Always use a moisturizer. Next, I am using a primer. Primer acts as a barrier between your makeup and your skin. I am warming the product between my fingers and applying it on my face. Next, I am using Fit Me foundation and will blend it with the help of my beauty blender. Guys, I always use a damp beauty blender, never use a dry beauty blender. This is a very good trick if you want a dewy base. Always apply your foundation in your hairline. Next, I am concealing my under eyes. सबसे ज़्यादा डार्कनेस हमें आईज के इनर कॉर्नर्स पे होती है, तो उसे अच्छे से कंसील करिए. I am applying concealer on the bridge of my nose, on cupid bows and on my scars. With the help of this pointed side of the beauty blender, I am blending my concealer in place. Always take time in these steps. The more you blend, the more skin-like your base will look. So dab, dab, dab. Next, to set all this base in place, सेटिंग स्प्रे को ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर पे स्प्रे करके पूरे फेस पे टैप कर लूँगी. Now for eyes, I am using my favorite eyeshadow palette and using this salmon color all over my lid to give a smooth transition. आई मेकअप हमेशा एक लाइट कलर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, उसे हम ट्रांजिशन कलर बोलते हैं, ताकि एक स्मूथ बेस पहले रेडी हो जाए और उसके बाद हम डार्कर शेड्स या शिमरी शेड्स का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Next, to match with my kurti color, I am using pink blush shade because my palette does not have a pink color. You can also try this trick. अपने outer edges को और depth देने के लिए I am using a more deeper brown shade from the same palette. और इससे मैं eyes के outer edge में ही blend करूँगी. I will not take this color till the inner corner. Now I am taking a pink shimmery shade and will apply all over my lid. This is a pink monochromatic look, guys. So इसमें मेरा पूरा मेकअप एक ही टोन में रहेगा, like my blush, my eyes and my lip. Now I am applying a coat of mascara. I am using a pink blush from Fit Me Maybelline in the shade Rose. Now it's time for some bronzer. And I am using Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. I am applying it in the usual areas. Next, I am using a highlighter today. I am using Wet n Wild highlighter and applying it on my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, cupid bow and little bit on my chin. Always apply highlighter on your highest points. Look at the glow, guys. It's beautiful. To complete my pink monochromatic look, I am applying pink lip liner and will use a pink lipstick in dabbing motion. It's from Maybelline. To complete the makeup look and set this in place, I will use setting spray. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you all liked the video, enjoyed the tutorial thoroughly. I have kept it very simple with pink glittery eyes. It's a beautiful monochromatic look with pink lip, pink cheeks, pink eyes, and of course my pink kurti. Definitely tell me in the comment box down below how you like this look. Rate this look from 1 to 10 and tell me your suggestion, what other videos you want me to create. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you guys will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye.